always says, I don't wanna hurt you, but I need to breathe. At the end of it all, still my best friend. There's something inside that I need to release. Betray's right, betray's wrong. How do I say that I need to move on? You know we had it separate ways, and it feels like I am just too close to love you. There's nothing I can really say. Lie no more, I can hide no more. Got to be true to myself, and it feels like I am just too close to love you. So I'll be on my way.